here with me today is Rosanna Carrieri. Hello, Rosanna.
Hi, good morning.
Rosanna is one of our tutors, and she's extremely experienced, dual qualified solicitor in England and Wales and Germany, who worked in Latin America, right, for some period of time?
Yes, in Brazil for a number of years.
In Brazil, and worked and used to study in Asia, right?
Correct, in Hong Kong. I worked in Shanghai for a short while and did my master's degree in Hong Kong.
Okay. So you basically have very vast experience, maybe except Africa. You work in all parts of this world. How do you find it from very general perspective that lawyers can work in very different jurisdictions?
I think it really depends on what sort of law you do, because it can be quite tricky to move around from one country to another. So if you're working in an area that is fairly international in itself, it makes it a little bit easier. So if you're working in some sort of maybe business law, commercial law, it's slightly easier to move to other countries because the principles are widely the same or similar at least.
Yeah, and you work with intellectual property, right?
Yeah, intellectual property in general, also with the commercial side of things, so contracts relating to intellectual property and enforcement, yeah, also everything.